Exhaustion, apathy, lack of efficiency.
Increased error rates, decreased engagement, excessive sick leave, burnout.
If any of those look familiar, you're not alone.
This sort of thing is happening in teams from all industries across the country. In fact, people are leaving their jobs in droves. And many of them are saying they left because they were stressed to the max and didn't feel safe taking interpersonal risks at work. Welcome to UnStuck, a practical roadmap to psychological safety. I'm Melanie Gao.
And I'm Matt Moran.
And with a combined 30 plus years in learning and development, we've helped leaders around the world empower their teams towards growth, heightened productivity, and maximum engagement.
Here's the thing, the current environment is tough, and it's tough to talk about. Your job as a leader has probably never been harder. We get it. Now, with that in mind, we have created a program that gives teams the inspiration, insight, and tools to build psychological safety. The program works because it engages all learning styles, is built on evidence-based research, delivers a powerful dose of learning in a concentrated amount of time, and drives lasting change and measurable outcomes.
At the end of this workshop, teams are better at recognizing their own stress patterns, managing their own stress responses, and building psychological safety with each other.
Could your team use any of that?
If so, email us at info@theupswingadvantage.com to learn more.